Welcome to another data recovery video. This time I'm going to show you how to tear down a reMarkable Paper Pro. First I need to remove the LCD screen to get inside of this. On the back here we've got these 4 rubber circles, and what we need to do is remove them because there's some hidden screws and there's also a little mechanism that locks the LCD down. So just lift all 4 up. Now we need to unscrew these little screws that are hidden underneath. Yes, there's one on each little circle. Once you've removed the screws, there's actually quite a pretty impressive engineering system for this LCD screen. There's these little unlocking mechanisms in each one of these. Well, 3 of them have it. This one doesn't have it. And we need to basically get some tweezers in there and slide them across to unlock. So they're these little sliding locking plates, and you just get something in there and each one slide them to unlock them. Now I wish it was that easy to remove the LCD from this reMarkable Paper Pro, but there is a bit of a glue that stuck this edge down and seals it. So heat up your edge, and we're going to pry underneath this seal. Be very careful. Once you heat it up enough, you should be able to get your pry tool in there and run along the edge and break that seal. Once you've cut this little seal that goes around the edge, it's only about 1 millimeter thick, the screen will lift up, but you have to take your time, otherwise you'll crack the screen. You've got to be very careful and very slow to heat up this edge and slowly cut this seal, and the screen will pop up. Be careful, you've got all your cables down in this corner. Now we can see the batteries here, and on the underside of the LCD we have the motherboard. And it looks like it's muscle memory that I keep calling this an LCD. It's not, it's e-paper, electronic paper. So I've got the e-paper screen off. So this reMarkable Paper Pro e-paper tablet has been mailed in for data recovery. What we're doing is we're actually going to remove the motherboard from this good working one, because I have a motherboard from a faulty one that I need to connect so I can get the customer's data back. We can see this motherboard has got some screws locking it down, and there's also some ribbons we'll need to disconnect. We've just removed the cover for these ribbons, and you just want to get under and gently pop them up. Same thing here, we'll remove these screws and we'll get the ribbons there. This one looks like it's the battery here, and this one is possibly the charger, whatever's there, the power switch. There's also 2 more ribbons under here. We've got some yellow tape we'll need to lift off and then unclip them. Now that the yellow tape has been lifted off, we're going to pick the little brown grey tabs here, and they should pop out. Done. Oh, we've got another one on this side here. Remove this yellow tape that's covering it. You've got a bit of a grey tab here. Pick that and then come behind, and it should slide out the back. There's 1 more screw left over here. Now the motherboard does lift out. We've got 1 more coaxial cable. That must be a Wi-Fi antenna. Successfully remove the motherboard. And in reverse order, I'm going to put the patient motherboard into this donut reMarkable Paper Pro so we can get the customer's data back. At the time of making this video, there's no third party or spare e-paper screens you can get for this product. No one's making them, and it looks like reMarkable don't sell them, so it's going to be very hard to repair them unless these spare parts hit the market. So to get the data back, I'm just going to download it, and we just need to go into the storage settings, and we got to enable a USB connection, which gives us a web address so that we can see all these files. And all we need to do is now download them all. We can download them as a PDF or download them as a reMarkable document, which means they're all exported and the customer can import them on their new tablet. So we don't repair the reMarkable tablet, we only do data recovery from this product, and if you have a reMarkable tablet that's not working and you need to get the data back, then you can mail in from anywhere around the world. I'll leave a link in the description, or visit us at zeroalpha.com.au, and I'll see you guys in the next data recovery video.